Hey, it's Joe with the How To Guys, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your motorcycle blinker when it won't blink. And in this case, we are lucky. We just need one of these bulbs replaced.
I'll show you how we know that it's a bulb rather than the blinker relay. And in this case, the left blinker is still working, and the right blinker, you can see it just stays on. And we can also, if we listen carefully, we can hear the relay working. And so that ticking sound from the relay is how we know that the relay does not need to be replaced.
The next step is to figure out which bulb it is that does need to be replaced. So by looking at all four bulbs and which one does not respond to the turn signal, we can determine that the right rear blinker must be burnt out. So I've removed this right rear pannier, which on the GL1100 is really easy. You just unlock it from the bracket, and then there are 3 screws on the back side of the rear blinkers that we need to unscrew, and that will release that blinker cover. And as I take off the cover right here, it's just really apparent right off the bat that yes, indeed, this bulb is burnt out. It's all black. So I pushed it in and twisted, removed it, and you can compare it to a fresh bulb here. That's what a burnt out bulb looks like. And so this is typically what most cars and motorcycles, the 1157 bulb is going to be a replacement for. But on these GL1100s, you can see the bottom there, there's only one connection on the GL1100 bulb. So these take a Stanley 1073. You can check your bulb on your motorcycle by just looking at what's printed on it and make sure you get the right replacement. So you can see here we have the correct replacement for this motorcycle, and push it in, twist it into place, and check it to make sure that the blinker is fixed, and it is. So just real easy job to put those 3 screws back in to secure the blinker housing, and then put the pannier back on, and we've got a working turn signal again. I hope that's the fix for you, and if you are having a problem where after replacing the bulbs none of your blinkers are working, look under the false tank and try replacing the blinker relay. That's also a very quick plug and play replacement. Happy riding out there and be safe.